So I just got my pack of SmartDOTs in the mail and I literally started applying them everywhere to all of my electric devices at home. But I saved one because I kind of wanted to show you guys how easy it is to use it. Literally just stick it on and the benefits of it. All right, so I kind of already took it out of the box to make it easier doing this one-handed. But there's like a little booklet. This is the benefit of using SmartDOT, putting it on your electric devices. So it actually reduces electro stress from all your electronics. And so some benefits you could see are, less headaches and just feeling better. I know that even though I use blue light blocking glasses, I stare at a computer screen almost like 8 to 10 hours a day, and I can still get a headache afterwards. So I'm super stoked about using these. All right, so I'm going to show you how to stick it on. We're going to put this on my laptop. Literally, you just peel it off. So it's stuck to the box with a little tacky, and then there's actually a sticker in the back. So I'm going to take this off really quick. All right, so taking off the sticker, and then I am literally just going to place this. I think I want it right here. So the cool thing about SmartDOT is like it doesn't have to be placed in a specific area for it to work. As soon as you place it, it's working to retune EMFs and reduce that electro stress that you're receiving. As a mom of a 5-year-old and 2-year-old, I do my best to reduce the amount of screen time that goes on in my household. But with the addition of schooling at home and doing Zoom at home, there is a little bit more electronic time than I would like. So by purchasing SmartDOT, I really feel at peace knowing that it's going to reduce the amount of electro stress, and users who have used SmartDOT reported like less headaches, better sleep. So I think for how easy it is to use, it is such a benefit for anyone who spends time in front of a computer or a tablet or any screen really, and it's just good for the whole family. So if you're looking to reduce the electro stress that occurs in your household due to EMFs, I highly recommend that you guys check out SmartDOT.